Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 8.3 that you will be use here. Question number 1 has a 4 parts. So I am doing here only 2 part because of that one part depend on another part. Sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. So that will be sine 18. Sine 18 means we can write cos 90 degree minus 18 degree, because that sine A is equal to cos 90 minus A is given. Sine A is equal to cos 90 minus A is given in question. So that cos 72 degree and then cos 90 minus 18 is equal to 72, that cos 72, that cancel, that 1. So 1 is answer. And then third part, cos 18 degree minus sine 42 degree. We can change anyone. Here also we can change anyone. Sine can be changed or can be changed the cos also. So cos 90 cos A is equal to sine 90 minus A minus, that is same, then sine 90 minus, that was sine 90 minus 80 is, that is 90 minus 48 is that 48, so that will be 42, and then sine 42 is also there, so that cancel, so that is 0 answer. So that second question also has 2 parts, so I am doing only 1 part because both part is depending on the each other. So see that first part, tan 48 degree and then tan 23 degree and then tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree. Tan 67 degree is equal to 1. It means this is the answer. So we will change only 2 parts, this and this, or this or this. So can we change? So that tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A, and this one also cot 90 minus A, and then other are same, tan 42, tan 67 by left hand side. So tan, that means cot, this will be left 42 degree by subtraction, and that cot, that will be also 67 degree, and then multiply tan is equal to 1 upon cot 42 degree, multiply that one also cot 67 degree. So this one cancel by this one cancel by this one, so left is 1. Similarly you will place the value of in second part you will be change the 2 things. And third, tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. So tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. So that tan is equal to cot 90 minus a, it means 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. So cot cancel by cot, so minus 2a minus a is equal to minus 18 minus 90. So that minus 3a is equal to 108, that in minus. So minus cancel by minus, 3 ja 9, 3 6 ja 18. So a is equal to 36 degree. This is the answer. And then fourth part. Fourth part is that tan A is equal to cot B. So prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So that tan A is equal to cot B. Cot B. So tan A we know that cot 90 minus A and then is equal to cot B. So cot cancel by cot. So that will be go 90 is equal to A plus B. So proved. Fifth question. This is also simple. Sec 4a is equal to that cosec a minus 20 degree. So we need to prove that, so find that value of a. So sec means cosec 90 minus 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree. So cosec cancel by cosec. So that minus 4a minus a is equal to minus 20 minus 90. So that minus 5a is equal to minus 110. So minus cancel by minus, 5 2 ja 10 or 5 2 ja 10. So a is equal to 22 degree. A is equal to 22 degree. And then sixth question. So we will see here sixth question because this is just lengthy question. Not lengthy, only just lengthy. If ABC are the interior angle of the triangle ABC, then show that sin B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A upon 2. So that first of all, we'll say sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. So that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. And now you are looking in proof that A is after the is equal to. So B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. Now next upon 2 is also there. So both side divide by 2. So that B plus C upon 2, that will be 90 minus A upon 2. Why that is 90? Because 180 upon 2 will be also there. So 290 ja 80. So that has come 90. And then you are looking sin is also there. So both side multiply by sin. So that will be sin B plus C upon 2 is equal to sin 90 minus A upon 2. So that sin B plus C upon 2 is equal to sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A upon 2. This is the proved. And then last part, seventh question, that express sin 60 plus cos 75 in the term of the trigonometric ratio of the angle between 0 and 45. 0 and 45. So first of all we will write the question, sin 67 plus cos 75. So that sin means we know that cos 90 minus 67 and then plus this one also sin 90 minus 75, that will be subtraction cos, that will be 23 or plus that will be sin, that will be 15 degree. Okay.